How to paint stripes. Subscribe for more videos. Painted stripes are a popular faux finish used in a variety of interior settings. Stripes are versatile and range in size from pinstripes to wide 6 inches or larger stripes. Soft, almost monotone stripes have a classy look to them, as does a shimmer stripe done with varnish or paints of different sheens. Laying out your stripes. You stripe a room in the same way that you would hang wallpaper. Start in an inconspicuous corner and work your way around the room from that point. Your starting point will be your finishing point after you circle your way around the room. Size of stripes. A simple way to stripe is to do so in standard masking tape widths. I often do 2 inches stripes, which is a standard masking tape width. Number of colors. You can do your stripes in 2, 3 or more colors, but if you are new to the striping technique, I would recommend just 2 colors. 2-color striping is done by first painting the walls in total in one of your stripe colors and then masking off and painting to obtain the second stripe. In practical terms, if you are painting 2 inches stripes, you would paint your room in the first stripe color, then apply masking tape at 2 inches intervals. A word on how to mask straight lines, see below, throughout the whole room. Once the masking tape is in place, you paint the walls again with the second stripe color. When each section or wall is done, remove the masking tape to reveal your 2-color striping. Masking tape. You must use easy release blue tape for your stripes. A good tape for striping is 3M's number 2080 blue tape, which is a smooth, easy release tape which will make it possible to get clean lines with a minimum of bleeding under the tape. Rub down the edge of the tape to ensure a good tight bond which the paint won't bleed under. When pulling the tape off, pull gently at a 45-degree angle from the surface. How to lay down straight stripes. The best way, or perhaps I should say the easiest way, is to use a laser level. Set the level it properly, line the tape up with a vertical laser line, working your way down the wall, moving the laser level as you work your way around the room. Not everyone has a laser level. For those who don't, a 4-bubble type level works fine. If you use a standard bubble level, you will need to put pencil marks on the wall to line up the tape. Keep the pencil marks light and don't cover them with the tape as you lay the tape down. Remember, if the marks show when the tape is down, they will be painted over. If the marks don't show, because the tape is covering the lines, then you will not be painting over the marks and they will show when you remove the tape. Reasonable expectations. With striping you can get some ridging at the tape edge, especially if you put on a heavy coat of paint or apply multiple coats for your stripes. When it comes time to repaint down the road, you will probably need to do some sanding or skim coating with spackle to smooth out any paint ridge lines so that they don't show through the next coat of paint. Like wallpaper removal, some faux finishes may require some extra surface preparation when it comes time to recoat. Do not forget to subscribe for more videos.